The methods of a backyard blacksmith don't stray far from those of ancient blacksmiths. The biggest difference is our option of working materials and tools in making handmade axes. Before you start forging your hatchet, you need to have your materials ready and intact. The material you get is what you will forge your hatchet from, so you should be conscious of the material you choose. For your blade, you should make use of steel to forge it. Steels form harder and tougher blades than most metals. You can also make use of wood or plastic as the handle. Besides getting your materials, you should also get your tools ready. It would be best if you got the appropriate tools to forge the hatchet easily. The way you forge your hatchet will look like will depend on the design you have for it. It is advisable to get your design ready so that you can make some corrections to it if it doesn't suit the best hatchet you want. You should place the metal you intend to forge your hatchet from in a forge for heating. It should be best if you heated the steel till it became red hot. This act will make steel malleable and easy to forge. You might have to heat the steel for a very long time before it becomes red hot. The process might take longer or sooner when you use other materials, depending on the nature of the metal you use. It would be best if you reheated the blade after you are through with the grinding and sharpening. You will have to place the grind blade into the forge to heat it once again. You will have to heat the blade for a long time and let it cool rapidly or slowly. This act will help harden the blade and make it tough. After heating the blade, you should dip the blade into a quench liquid. The quench liquid can either be oil or water. Dipping the blade into a quench oil also constitutes the factors that increase its strength and toughness. The finishing is a straightforward stage in forging a hatchet. The finishing consists of polishing and adding a handle to the hatchet's blade. Polishing the hatchet blade is simple and you can perform this in a few minutes. You should also add the handle to the blade. Attaching the handle to the blade is also a simple and straightforward step. Do you know blacksmiths can forge the hardest and sharpest materials? Just as you have a two-edged sword, you can also have a two-edged axe. A double bit axe is simply an axe with two functional sides. Learn how to forge a double bit axe in practicable steps. A double bit axe is one of the most useful tools in DIY. It is particularly helpful for woodworkers for the felling of trees and splitting lumbers. Many DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, hobbyists, and professional woodworkers spend a lot on purchasing different axes. However, as a blacksmith, you have the advantage of forging several tools without much stress. Thanks for watching. Until next time.